Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan, and in this video, we'll explore how to effectively define the scope of your RCM analysis and how you should tailor the scope to meet your specific needs. Let's say you decide to start with the plant air system because it's experiencing chronic failures. It's tempting to tackle the whole system at once, but that would make the scope too broad and the RCM analysis unmanageable. Instead, we need to break it down. In this case, we'd segment it into three key systems: a compressor, the air dryer system, and the tower water distribution system. We can continue to refine our approach by breaking down each system into more specific components. For example, within the compressor, we include the main motor, inlet air filters, lubrication system, intercoolers, protective devices, and more. The air dryer system can be segmented into the receiver tank, desiccant towers, filtration system, and additional elements. Each system can be dissected further to enhance our RCM analysis. For example, the compressor's lubrication system can be divided into its pre-loop pump, main oil pump, filters, gauges, and other components. Similarly, the filtration system within the air dryer system can be categorized into pre-filters and final filters. Suppose we pinpoint that the compressor is suffering from poor reliability. In this scenario, the compressor itself would then become our scope of analysis. Here's another important consideration. Many organizations operate identical equipment in varying environments. For example, the same compressor model could be used in both a US plant and a European plant, yet each faces distinct demands, operating conditions, and operational tempo. It's vital to clearly define which specific compressor is under analysis to prevent confusion amongst the RCM team members and to avoid overlapping or contradictory data. Once the initial analysis is complete, it can be templated and adapted for the compressor in the alternate environment, typically requiring only about 20% of the original analysis time. A final thought involves specifying the goals of your RCM analysis. For instance, if the objective is to develop a proactive maintenance plan, then analyzing the entire compressor might be appropriate. However, if your main goal is to figure out the cause of chronic failures and you suspect these originate within the lubrication system, then your analysis might focus solely on just the lubrication system. The scope of your RCM analysis is completely within your control. You can apply RCM as broadly or as narrowly as your needs dictate. RCM is not an all-or-nothing approach. In tomorrow's video, we'll continue our discussion on scope of analysis, exploring why accurate scope identification is so important because it drives the planning process. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.